Hello, Olangoji and aka the eminent trader, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do some basic stuff like how to do all these things. So what you go and do is that you do exactly the same thing as I have. First things first, you go here, then you make a favorite, anyone you want to add or remove. So trend line, you favorite it, horizontal ray, you favorite it. You can add horizontal line if you want. Then you go to this next one, you favorite gam box, you favorite it here. Then you go to this place, you favorite your long and short position, as you can see. So if you scroll here, you'll be seeing the stars. Once you click it, it will turn yellow like this. Then you favorite your rectangle and your path. These are the basic ones I normally use. Then you go to this place, you favorite your text. So once you do them as favorites, you see everything here. So these are the common tools that I normally use. These are the common tools I normally use. So that one is very straightforward. Then once you do that, you can now be modifying it here. For example, this is horizontal ray now. Basically, it just does this, marks out the exact place for your line. As you can see, marks out the exact place for your line. Then you can change the color. You click on it. You can change the color here, or you click on settings and change the color, whichever one you want to do. You can easily change the color here. So by clicking on this and selecting the colors, I can use blue, but I prefer the purple. It's as simple as that. Then for this trend line, and this is what we use for all these things to do all those break of structure, church, and all those things. So for you to do that, you click on it, then you draw the line like this. You draw it like this. Then you put the text. Right? You click here in the middle, or you right click either one. If you click here now, I can click BOS. Then I click it. Then you right click or click on it. Then if you click on it, you go to this settings button here. So this is where you change it to dot. Under style, you change it to dot headline. Then you change this to 1. Then under text, you can select the color you want the text to be, but leave it as black. Then you go to settings. Then under this text alignment, you make it middle. Then center, make sure it is middle center and it is 11. Make sure it is 11. Then you do this. Then you click OK. Then once you click OK, you can either do this now. You click on this button. You click on this button. Then you click Save Drawing Template As. Then you put the name and you save. I already have it, so I won't need to do that. So you click Save. Once you put, let's say you put BOS, for example, now you save. So that is that. So whenever you now draw a line like this, let's say I now draw a line like this now, I'll just click on this button here, this template button, and choose BOS. So it automatically change to BOS. So you do this for every other thing that is here. You do it for every other thing that is here. Do you understand? Church. You type church. So you do it separately, then you save them separately. Do you understand? So let's say I want to do for another one now. You click on it, go to the middle, you add the text, change of character. Then you click it. Then you click on this. Then you choose this. Then you save drawing template. Remember, you save it if you want to do it at first. But once you saved it and you already have it, you just click anyone here and it will change automatically. That's how you do it. Do you understand? So you have X, you have TLL, you have targets, anything you want to type that you want the template to be saved, you put it there. I already have break of structure, so I changed. Now delete this now. So it's very straightforward. So just do it for all the templates. Then whenever you want to use it, you just create a new one. You create a new one, then click on this, then choose inducement, for example. If it is liquidity, you choose it. If it is higher, low, it is church, anyone it is, you choose it, and that is that. So let me delete it. So that's how you create and you use your trend line too. Then for the box too, you can do this. So once you click on the box now, you draw it. So once you draw it, remember this line will be 1. Make sure it is 1. Make sure this one is line. Then you go to these settings. So you go to style. So under style now, you can change it. Make sure it's exactly like this as you're seeing it. Make sure nothing is changing. Make sure you don't touch anything here. You have no business here. So you just make sure that under border, and this is where, so you click on border. Make sure you choose this. Then opacity is 42%, thickness, this one, line, this one, and you are good to go. Then you click OK. So it will be like this. So it won't disturb you whenever you draw. So anytime you draw the next one, it will be like that. Do you understand now? Anytime you draw the next one, it will be like that. This is like the best color for a rectangle. So that's that for rectangle. Then the next one is your long and short. So for long now, anytime you want to long, you click on it. Then you click on it again. Then this is where you change the color. You click on settings. Then stop color. As you can see, if you want it to be like mine, you can do it like this. So any color that you want. This for the stop loss. Mine is this, opacity 30%. Then my target, this, opacity 40%. Then you click OK. Don't touch any of that thing. Then you can adjust appropriately for your entry or SL, whatever. That is clear. Then the short too, you do the same thing. So the short is like the opposite. So the stop loss, same thing, as you can see. Opacity 40%. Make sure it is exactly like this. If you want it to be blue and gray like my own, you can select any color that you like, you can play with it. Then for this one is where you do all this thing. I'm sure you've seen it in most of the classes. So that's how you do it. So this one will be 1. then it will be line. That's all. That's basically that. Then the color, you can change the color if you want. I use blue or black is ideal. So that is for this. Then test, normal test now. So make sure it is exactly like this 12, black. Don't touch anything. Don't need to touch anything. Just make sure it is 12 and it's black. So that is that. What other one? Which other one? So this is the main one, this GAN box. So you draw it. So make sure you follow everything in these settings exactly like this. Just look at it. 0, make sure you feel it exactly like this. Look at it very well. So make sure you feel it exactly like this. Background like this. Nothing is ticked here under time levels. Nothing is ticked here. So as you can see, nothing is ticked. Nothing is ticked. So this is the only part you have business with. You have no business with any other thing here. Just this. And you click OK, and it will be exactly like this. So this line is 50%. If you watch the videos, you'll understand. Videos on Gambox, people using Gambox. So that shouldn't be a problem. So you can use it, modify, and put anywhere if you like to measure the 50% of that area. As you can see. So if I'm looking for entry now, this I'll be looking for an entry for a buy here. And my SL will be below. Very, very straightforward like that. So that's how, if you notice, you'll be seeing this on most of my charts. That's how I did it. So I think that's all. There's nothing else. This one is the horizontal line. Very straightforward. So that is that. Then setting of alerts. So you want to set alerts, you want the market to remind you. Just come like this. Then you click on this plus sign. You click on this plus sign. Then you click add alert. Then you click on it. You right click. Remember, you right click. You right click. Why is this thing reminding me? Okay, because I set the alert. Sorry. I set the alert here, the price trigger. So let's say you set the alert here, you click on this plus sign. Make sure you look for the plus sign, then you click on it, you click add alert. Then you either right click from anywhere or you left click on this. So you right click and you click edit. So once you click edit, you can change the figure. So let's say the place you want it to alert you is 1.146. You change it to 1.146, then you click on message. Then this is where I normally change it to 1 RR. You can use 1 RR. You can use entry triggered. You can use entry triggered. So anyone that it is, you put it there. You can use entry triggered, you can use SL, you can use TP1, anyone, then you save it. So once price gets there, it will notify you that price have hit TP1. So this way you won't need to be checking every time as you set your alert. So you can click on it again and delete. So that's how you set alert. So I basically covered every necessary thing you need on this chart. You can change the candle color. Have I taught you that? Okay. So what you do if you want to change candle color, you click on the settings here. Click on settings here. So symbol. So make sure it's like this way you change the candle color. So if I want it to be purple, you can see that it has changed. So any color you want to change it to, you can change it there. As you can see, but me, I prefer blue. So any color that fits, you can change it to whichever color you like. Life is not hard. So that is for this place. So make sure everything here is the same so that your chart will look like mine. So make sure everything here is the same. The background is here also. Then scales and line. Look at it very, very well. Make sure it's exactly like your own, like my own, as you can see. Value line. Just make sure it is exactly like mine. So that it will be clean, to be a clean chart. So look at it very well. You can pause the video and see on that canvas. As you can see, make sure everything is exactly like my own. So the color. So make sure everything is like my own, everything is ticked here. So make sure everything, as you can see, is 0. So make sure everything 10, 8, 10. As you can see, you see over mouse. You see over mouse over. Then trading, same thing, buy, sell, but you don't really need this one. So you can remove that. So make sure everything is like this. Make sure everything is like this. Then alert, leave it like that. Then event, as you can see. So you can remove all this one. You don't even need it. You don't need all this one. So once you are done, just click OK. That's all. That's literally all. I don't even need this. So in this place, you can remove this bar change value. You can remove the chart value. So you leave it clean like this. Then for the one that shows name, you click on this place. As you can see, click on this. That's where you select indicator. Then you search for AGFX. And the one for FVG, you want to be seeing FVG on your chart. Specifically this nephew Sam. So you make it favorite. If you search for it now, AGFX. So you can click on it here to either add or remove, as you can see. Then you search for FVG, nephew Sam. You can either remove or add. Then once you do that, you go back. Then you click on this. Then you double click. If you want it to show on your chart, you double click it. You double click this one too. So then what do you do next? You go and edit. So you click on the settings button here. So this is where you edit it. You can change it to, for mine now, the eminent trader. Then you can edit it to anything. Patience, discipline, and consistency. Shikena. Then you click here to close it. So as you can see now, you can see that I have my eminent trader. I have my favorite button. I have the FVG. Everything on check, as you can see. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Everything is on check now. So you can remove it. If you don't want to see it, you can just click on this I button here. This I button to remove it. If you go to the second one, so click on the I button to remove it. Simple and short. And when you enter your charts, if you want to see a clean chart, maybe you want to train your eyes, just click on this. You scroll down here, click on this I button to remove everything temporarily. So you can just zoom out. You can't do anything, but you can just zoom out and see, okay, this market is on a trend. You can even train your eyes to see it. Then you can remove it back. And simple as that. You already know how to add case. So that one is very straightforward. I touched that in the last video. So that's everything you need to know regarding fixing up your trading view to be cleaner, fresher, and finer. So let me return back my AGFX. So I have my eminent trader, everything on check. So as you can see, so make sure everything aligns properly. You are welcome. I remain Olariwaju KLIB, and I'm also known as the eminent trader. Thank you, and God bless. So if you'd like to learn from me or want me to mentor you, I only have 4 variants of my one-on-one private mentorships, as you can see on the screen. If you have any inquiry, you can send me a DM via the Linktree link in the description, and you can also read more about each mentorship program via the Linktree link too. Thank you.
I only trade with TENTRADE. You should too. Check the description in this video for more info.
Here, these are some of the exclusive benefits you get from me when you sign up with TENTRADE through my link and get any of the instant live funded accounts or the Express Challenge accounts. Send me a DM for any inquiry. TENTRADE has the fastest withdrawal in the industry, and they've been around since 2017, and they have trader friendly rules, and they want their traders to succeed. They have the best customer service in the industry too, and they are giving a personal account manager once you sign up. A trial will convince you and you are in safe hands. Don't forget to click the Linktree link in the description for any inquiry.
Follow me for more educative contents like this.